Good morning, friends. I am Professor Kamlesh Jadhav, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Extension, and today I am going to discuss with you about the importance of communication. Before moving towards the importance of communication, we will take a brief idea about communication. Firstly, we will see the meaning of communication. The word communication has been derived from the Latin word communis, which means common. So, communication means sharing of ideas which are in common. When we communicate, we are trying to establish a commonness with someone. That is, we are trying to share the information, an idea, or an attitude. The essence of communication is getting the receiver and sender tuned together for a particular message. Then we will see the definition of communication. First definition of communication is that communication is the process of passing information and understanding from one person to another person. Then second definition of communication is communication may be broadly defined as the process of meaningful interaction among human beings. More especially, it is the process by which meanings are perceived and understandings are reached among the human beings. Then another popular definition of communication is that communication is the process by which ideas, thoughts, information are shared between two or more people to gain a common understanding of the messages. So, these are the some definitions of communication. Then we will see the importance of communication. Effective communication is important for efficient management and to improve industrial relations. In modern world, the growth of telecommunication, information technology, and the growing competition and complexity in production have increased the importance of communication in organization, large and small, irrespective of their type and kind. A corporate executive must be in position to communicate effectively with his superiors, colleagues, and in other departments and subordinates. This will make him perform well and enable him to give his 100% to the organization. Following points are useful to illustrate the importance of communication. We will see them one by one. First one is communication acts as a base for action. Communication acts as a base for any action. Starting of any activity begins with communication, which brings information necessary to begin with. Then second one is planning becomes easy. Communication facilitates planning. Planning is made easy by communication. Any type of information regarding the human resource requirement of each department of the organization with their qualifications, the type and kinds of job can be collected through communication, which helps in human resource planning. Policies and programs for their acquisition can be prepared and implemented. Then third one is means of coordination. Communication is an important tool for coordinating the efforts of various people at work in the organization. Then next one is aids in decision making. The information collected through communication aids in decision making. Communication facilitates access to the vital information required to take important decisions. The next one is provides effective leadership. Communication skill bring manager near to his subordinates and exchange ideas and submit appropriate proposals, know their opinions, seeks advices and make decisions. This enables a manager to win confidence of his subordinates through constantly communicating with them and removing probable misunderstanding. In this way, he leads his people to accomplish the organizational goals. And then last one is boost moral and motivation. An effective communication system instills confidence among subordinates and workers, ensuring change in their attitude and behavior. The main cause of conflict and dissatisfaction is misunderstanding, which can be removed through the communication skills. The removal of misunderstanding makes manager and his subordinates understand each other and create good industrial relations. This boosts of the morale of the people and motivates them to work harder. So this is all about the importance of communication. Thank you.